What's up guys, this is Chase with EUROFED. It's been a crazy week for both Charlotte locations. We just had Justin come by with his red Lamborghini Urus. Sancho just picked up his Lamborghini Urus, which had paint protection and ceramic coating done.
We were able to get it wrapped behind the door handle, and it'll keep looking like this.
Looks great, man.
It really does.
I appreciate it.
Over the past week, we've had this Lamborghini Urus receiving a full body paint protection film install. That's 10 years of protection guaranteed to keep rock chips, road rash, scratches, everything off the paint. Followed everything up with a ceramic coating for nice solid protection. You don't have to detail it anymore now, so just your regular easy washes, and this vehicle will continue to look like this for years to come. There's no better place here in Charlotte, North Carolina to get your vehicle properly protected and maintained than Highline Detailing.
Hey guys, this is Marcel over at the Charlotte Independence location of EUROFED. Today we got quite a variety of vehicles. We have a Land Rover Discovery Sport in for some service. The Mercedes-Benz is being taken care of. We've got some oil leaks and some air ride suspension service it also needs. Got the Bentley GT who's also in here for air ride suspension work. We're also going to look at the vehicle and check out some of the things that it needs. And we got some projects over here that we're going to be continuing tomorrow.
Common failure on the BMW M5 is throttle actuators. They tend to seize up and cause limp mode. A customer of ours came in on a Friday, took nothing but 30 minutes to diagnose. The BMW S85 is a V10 with individual throttle body, and one bank is controlled by one throttle actuator as well as the opposite bank. Here at EUROFED, this job's only going to take us about 3.5 hours.
How many do you think you can do before your hands hurt?
There's nobody stronger than me at any other EUROFED location.
Brian just came by with his Audi R8 V10 Plus.
When I come in the arena.
My name is Seth Curry. I'm the Master Audi Technician here at our EUROFED Charlotte location on Old Pineville. Today we have in here with us a couple R8's. We have first generation from 2009, 10, 11, in for a couple miscellaneous type things. The V10 supercharged one, we just did the build on it a couple weeks ago, engine out build. It's in for some cosmetic reasons. Also we have in here today is our white V8 R8. We are going to be installing BF Engineering Generation 2 supercharger. We will be the first shop in the US putting the supercharger kit on besides VF Engineering themselves. Classified as the new Magnuson TVS 1740 supercharger. We're going to put the V10 clutch pack in it for that little bit of extra strength. It's already got an upgraded exhaust. It's lowered. It's already an awesome car, but we're about to make it even better. About 2 weeks, we're going to have the parts in and get digging in on this thing, so be ready.
This Bentley is in for some alignment work. The customer just got some new wheels and tires, so it's a good idea to always get a good alignment. We've got some projects here. We're waiting to put a new engine in this vehicle. It's getting built as we speak. We also have some really cool classic Volkswagens here. This one is the Jetta Wolfsburg Edition, which is pretty rad and pretty rare. Check out all the chrome work we've got going on here.
Sancho just picked up his underground racing Audi R8 Stage 3 Plus with billet gears. We're coming at you next week with acceleration videos. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like us on Facebook.
Keep a lookout on Instagram and Facebook. We're gonna have episode 2 coming, and we'll be glad to see you there.